This video shows you how to don the MyoPro by yourself with the Thenar hand strap configuration. This strap secures across the palm. The MyoPro 2X was designed to make donning a reasonable and realistic goal for a majority of MyoPro users. The MyoPro comes with a donning guide and uses colors and numbers to help you learn and remember how to put it on. We also have short phrases to help you remember, like, grab the green, kiss the wrist, blue goes through, find the line. Your therapist can show you the best place to don your MyoPro. This video shows you how to don while sitting at a table. Take the donning guide and MyoPro out of the bag. The MyoPro has Velcro straps. When storing the MyoPro, fasten the Velcro to keep it from catching on the inside of the bag. Each MyoPro comes with a blue Dyson mat. This mat is optional. When used, it can prevent your MyoPro from sliding. Position the MyoPro on your weaker side. It should stay on that side of your body and not cross the middle of your body. If it does, it might cause your fingers and arm to tighten, making it harder to put on. Start on the setup page of the donning guide. Proper setup of your MyoPro is essential for success. Don't skip this step. Remove the MyoPro fingerpiece. Rotate the blue rings into the upright position. The rings are designed to hold in place. Open both cuff hinges. This will make more space for your arm. Locate the black wrist rotation ring. Pull up on the gray latch to unlock the ring. Rotate the ring until the blue stickers line up. Push the latch down to lock it in place. Find the silver wrist joint next to the black rotation ring. Push the blue button down to lock the wrist in a neutral position. Find and push the blue button on the MyoPro hand to open the motor. Open the hand strap. Pull on the opposite end of the strap to create slack. This will make it easier to get your hand in. Ensure your MyoPro matches the setup shown in the donning guide. When ready, open the guide to begin donning. Donning the MyoPro starts with your hand. Remember, if your hand is not positioned within the MyoPro correctly, then it may not function the way you want it to. You need to make sure your hand is all the way in and secured properly. Before you get started, look at the MyoPro hand. Your thumb will go into the thumb piece and your fingers will grab the green. With your helping hand, reach all the way through the MyoPro hand. Use your helping thumb to guide and stretch your weak thumb into place. Don't push, but pull your hand into the MyoPro to grab the green. We call this the Myomo handshake. To make sure your hand is all the way in, push your thumb against the MyoPro and do the Myomo handshake again. Push the hand motor closed. Push the hand down to kiss the wrist. This is an important step to straighten your hand before you secure it. You may need to do the Myomo handshake one more time to pull your hand in deeper. The MyoPro should rest snug against the palm. Make sure you can see your knuckles. When your hand is all the way in, find the strap. Pull the strap directly toward you until you feel the strap snug on top. This step secures the hand and prevents the MyoPro from sliding down during use. Do not skip this step. The strap goes through the blue ring and folds down toward the palm. When you find the line, fully secure the strap from the blue ring all the way to the end of the blue tab. With the upper cuff up, push your elbow and forearm down into the MyoPro. Secure the forearm strap. Remember, blue goes through, then find the line. Smooth out any liner edges and skin before moving on. Move your body away from your elbow and reach your helping hand under your arm to find the upper cuff strap. Put your thumb into the blue loop and pull the strap forward. Close the cuff down onto your arm. After blue goes through, put your thumb in the loop and pull the strap toward you. Find the line. Secure the Velcro. Tuck the blue loop into the strap loop. Smooth out any liner edges and skin. On the MyoPro fingerpiece, locate the blue circle sticker. Scoop your index and middle fingers onto the fingerpiece. Attach the fingerpiece by lifting underneath. Hook it onto the support. The piece should click in place. Donning the MyoPro is now complete.